a 5-week-old human embryo drawn to eliminate the natural creatures and to increase visibility of fish-like features.
She walks to school with a lunchy pack. Nobody, and she flies to a place where she's loved. Concrete angel.
Jane Rose, single woman living in Dallas, Texas, was pregnant at the time of filing her action in federal court.
Unsuccessful in procuring an abortion because of the strict law in Texas.
Because of her inability of obtaining a legal abortion, Roe brought suit against the district attorney Henry Wade. Because of the ruling by the lower courts,
the case was appealed to the United States Supreme Court from the United States District Court for the Northern District of Texas.
First time in history, a state's abortion laws were successfully challenged.
This decision marked the beginning of the end for the abortion laws of many states.
1970s.
Roe versus Wade.
I'm Jane Roe.
I'm pro-choice.
I'm pro-life.
Jane Roe is a 20-year-old poor and pregnant with her second child. The abortion law in Texas says that you cannot get an abortion, that it is illegal. Less than 10,000 abortions are done illegally.
What happens if it is done illegally?
Glad you asked, Jane. It can lead to some serious medical problems.
Which is why you shouldn't get an abortion and have the baby.
But I can't afford it, and I don't want to harm the child if I can't take care of it.
Why don't we just drop this? I mean, it's her choice in the end.
But in my opinion, all babies should live, and even if they are put up for adoption.
Whoa, wait a minute. What is adoption?
Adoption is where the baby is given away to a family that can't have babies. This way, no harm is done to the mom or the baby, and he or she gets a life that you couldn't provide for it.
That sounds like a better idea than aborting the baby. I'm going to do that idea. Do that instead. Wow.
The Supreme Court Justice ruled 7-2. It gives us the choice to choose whether we want to have a child or not.
Girls are going to think that because abortion is legal, that they can have sex and use abortion like birth control.
Abortion being legal equals to the younger girls getting pregnant more often.
In 2005, in the U.S., the majority, 57%, of teen pregnancies resulted in a live birth.
27% ended in an induced abortion, and 16% in a fetal loss.
Sherry Finkbein at home in 1962, during the period when she was trying to obtain a legal abortion in Arizona. Finkbein's request for an abortion when she learned that she might be carrying a deformed fetus played an important role in setting off the nationwide controversy over abortion reform.
Linda Coffey in 1972, shortly after she argued Roe v. Wade in the Fifth Circuit Federal Court.
On January 22nd, the 12th anniversary of the Roe v. Wade decision, anti-abortion reformers knelt on the steps of the Supreme Court in protest.
Abortion rally, St. Louis, 1970. Across the country, women registered their dissatisfaction over present abortion laws with public marches and rallies. There are those women who do not hear, since they cannot speak for themselves. Justice and morality cry out that we must speak for them. No one else will.